I understand English. I can read English, but I can't speak English. Why? Hello everyone. Welcome to Angrezi Ghar Baithe. Today I want to ask you a question. Have you ever said, I understand English, I can read English, but I can't speak English? If your answer is yes, you're not alone. Millions of English learners feel exactly the same. Now the question is, why does this happen? Let's understand it with a simple example. Imagine you love cricket. You've watched hundreds of cricket matches. You know all the rules. You know how the players bat, bowl, and field. But one day someone gives you a bat and says, now go and play. Will you become a great player immediately? No, because watching cricket and playing cricket are two different skills. English is exactly the same. Reading is one skill. Listening is another skill. Writing is another skill. Speaking is a completely different skill. Many students spend years reading English books. They watch English movies. They learn grammar. They memorize vocabulary. But they rarely speak. Then one day they try to speak English. Their mind becomes blank. They forget simple words. Their confidence disappears. Then they think, maybe English isn't for me. But that's not true. Your problem isn't English. Your problem is practice. Think about your childhood. How did you learn Hindi? Did anyone give you a grammar book when you were 2 years old? No. You listened first. Then you copied people. Then you spoke small words, then small sentences. Little by little, your speaking became natural. You learn by using the language. English works the same way. Your brain learns by doing, not only by reading. Here's another example. Imagine someone teaches you how to swim. You read 10 books about swimming. You watch 100 videos. Will you become a swimmer? No. The day you enter the water, your real learning begins. Speaking English is your swimming pool. You have to enter it. Many learners wait for the perfect day. They say, I'll speak when my grammar becomes perfect. I'll speak when I learn 5,000 words. That day never comes, because confidence grows through speaking. It doesn't come before speaking. Here's something interesting. Many students already know enough English to start speaking. They know words like go, come, eat, sleep, study, happy, good, beautiful, but they keep searching for difficult words. Simple words are enough. Simple English is real English. Now let's talk about mistakes. Many people are afraid of making mistakes. They think, people will laugh at me. But tell me something. When a child learns to walk, does the child fall? Yes, many times. Does the family laugh? No. Everyone smiles because falling is part of learning. Speaking English is no different. Mistakes mean you're learning. Every mistake makes you a better speaker. Now let me give you a small challenge. For the next 30 days, speak English for 10 minutes every day. Speak to yourself. Describe your room. Talk about your daily routine. Talk about your dreams. Record your voice. Listen to it. Then speak again. Every day your confidence will become stronger. Another important habit is thinking in English. Many learners first think in Hindi, then they translate into English. This takes time. Start with easy thoughts. I'm hungry. I'm tired. It's raining. I'm learning English. These small thoughts train your brain to think directly in English. Slowly speaking becomes easier. Remember one thing. Reading fills your mind. Speaking trains your mouth. You need both. So if you understand English and you can read it, you can read English. That's already a big achievement. Now it's time to build the next skill. Speak. Speak every day. Speak with confidence. Speak with patience. Your first sentence may be slow. Your 100th sentence will be better. Your 1,000th sentence will surprise you. One day you'll realize something amazing. The English you were afraid to speak has become a part of your daily life. That day won't come because of luck. It will come because you practiced again and again. So stop waiting. Start speaking today. One sentence, then another, then another. That's how every fluent speaker begins. Thank you for watching Angrezi Ghar Baithe. Keep learning, keep reading, keep speaking. And remember, you don't become fluent by knowing English. You become fluent by using English. See you in the next lesson.